Coming to my education background, I've done BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. After I completed my BTech, I was exploring through different fields. So I came across data science. I found it really interesting that I wanted to start pursuing the career in data science. So that's how my journey started. So I was looking for different data science institutes. Where can I join? Then while I'm Googling, I came across Innomatics. I would say Innomatics had really good coursework. Their coursework have very diverse topics that are trending in the industry. So I really liked it, and I've joined in Innomatics. After I joined Innomatics, the classes are really fun. The trainers are very helpful, and in the morning sessions we used to have classes, and in the afternoon sessions we used to have practice sessions. I would say mentors are really helpful. They're ready to help at any point of time. They used to clear all the doubts. While I was in the middle of my course, middle of a module, there was placements were started. And at that point of time, I'm not really that confident about interviews. So Innomatics really helped me with all the mock interviews. They used to review our interviews and give good feedback about that, and any improvements or developments we can make. So it's one of very few institutes give mock interviews. So it really helped me in actual interviews. I performed really better, and I improved a lot after those. After I got placed, all my work is related to the projects I've done here in Innomatics, and also the hackathons we've done here became really handy and helpful. So the work at in my new company is really challenging and interesting, and I'm really enjoying my work a lot. When I started my journey, there are a few challenges and doubts. So I was looking into different places. So when I found Innomatics, it's really helpful for me. My advice would be for the people who want to start, just go through all the modules and just get clear about the topics, and speak to your mentors, clear your doubts. And the team in Innomatics, it was really interactive and helpful. So my advice for the people would be, if they want to start their journey in data science, it would be Innomatics. So Innomatics is a good place to start. Thank you, Innomatics, for helping me become a data scientist and begin my career in the industry.
Innomatics Research Labs. We don't just train, we transform careers.